Now we're going to do a review on subject-verb agreement. The subject-verb agreement sheet. The first sentence, my mother retired. The first thing I'm going to do is figure out what the subject is. And the subject, as we learned to underline, is mother. The verb is retired. So to diagram this sentence, you do your typical T-chart, draw the baseline. You put your subject, and then the verb. And right now we're going to ignore adjectives, adverbs, and prepositional phrases. So mother retired. The second sentence, the hawk soared above the trees. Again, what's my subject? My subject is hawk. What did the hawk do? The hawk soared. Above the trees is just a prepositional phrase, so we're going to ignore that. And the is an article, which is an adjective, so we're going to ignore that as well. So let's draw our T-chart again. There's the baseline. Hawk. What'd the hawk do? The hawk soared. Third sentence. The skater spun in circles. My subject is skater. The verb is spun. In circles is just a prepositional phrase, and you wouldn't say skater circles, so that can't be the verb. And again, though, we're going to ignore as well. So let's do our T-chart. Skater spun. Okay. During the final inning, a runner scored. During is a preposition, so we're going to ignore that whole phrase. Runner scored. We're going to do our T-chart. Runner. What'd the runner do? The runner scored. And the final sentence. Beside the beautiful statue in the park, the pigeon found some popcorn. So let's see, this one's meant to complicate things. So let's look for our prepositional phrases. Beside is a preposition. Beside the beautiful statue in the park, so we're going to ignore those. The pigeon found some popcorn. This one's a little bit tricky because this one's got more than a subject and a verb, but right now we're just going to do subject and verb because we haven't gotten to the others. So the subject is pigeon, the verb is found. Popcorn is what we're going to talk about. It's a direct object, but for now we're going to ignore it. So let's do our regular T-chart. We've got pigeon, found. And it's as easy as that.